Hey guys, today we're playing airplane. So it's loading. Oh, here we go. Okay, so I have A12. I'm gonna find my seat. Where's A12? Where is it? A12. Oh, here we go. Is this the one? Yes, this is the one. So this is my seat, everyone. A12. See? Oh yes, and I also have a friend playing with me today. Here she is. She's right beside me. April Human, 11. Oh, 9/11. Oh, she's gone. She ran away. Yeah. Oh, feel free to explore the airplane. Oh, is she gonna say something? Oh, hi guys. Hello. Oh yes, actually we're playing with two friends. I got a lot of friends here. Oh, here's the other friend saying hi too. Hello. Very friendly friends. Oh yes, April Human. She has a YouTube channel. It's called Gaming World, so you should definitely go check it down. Check it. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so now find a seat. Oh, or else you're gonna find your seats. So guys, hurry, we need to find our seats or else we're gonna get a high turbulence. Come on. Yes, I think everyone got their seats. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Wow. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, that was scary right there. Oh, okay. Thank you for... Yeah. Oh yeah, for your... Sorry, saying thank you for your cooperation. Okay. Okay. Hello, everyone. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're gonna get some food because I'm very hungry. Oh no. Wait. I don't know why, but I play like a lot of games like this, and like always the food is always like someone's always allergic to it, so I'm kind of scared. I think someone's gonna be allergic to it. What's in it? Someone has to be allergic to this one. They're like this. I think the same person makes these games. I don't know. I really like these games though. Oh my god! I'm allergic to mayo! Oh my god! I need to find my medication. Someone find my medication. Oh no. Please say someone found my medication. Okay, did someone find it? Oh no, I'm trying to find my own medication. I can't find it. Oh no. Did someone find it? Oh no, quickly, we need to find the medication. Oh no. I'm scared. Oh my god, I'm a hero. Oh, my friend found it. Yay, woohoo. I am not dead. Okay, so I'm a little bit nervous because anything can happen at this point, and everything that happens in here is kind of scary. I don't know why, it just scares me a lot. Oh, okay. Okay. Good night, passengers. Good night. Okay, stretch your legs. Okay. Oh my god, we still have hours to go and I'm already scared, guys. Okay. We're gonna go to sleep. Okay. Now what do we do? I'm not relaxed. Oh my god! What happened? The energy went out. Oh, wait. Okay. Now what do we do? Do we just sit here? What do we do? I'm out of my seat, okay? Guys, look! What is that on the right wing? What is there a monster? There's a monster! Wait, he's saying you will not survive! Oh my god, okay. Good thing I was away from him. Are those snakes? Oh my god, there are snakes! Oh my god, I don't... There's snakes? Oh my god, I hate snakes! Oh my god! I'm so scared. I need to... Okay, oh my god! I need to try to go to the front. Oh my god! Ew! Oh my god! I'm so Oh, there's an open bathroom. Come on, get in. Please say you're in. Whew. Okay, so we're safe now. Oh my god, that was so scary. Wait, does that mean everyone else died from the snakes? Oh my god. Guys, don't go on this airplane. This is a horrible airplane, guys. Horrible airplane. Oh my god, I'm so scared of what's gonna happen next. Oh my god, yeah, she's right. It's just us two. Oh, my other friend died. How sad. I'm relieved. Okay. I'm so scared to see what's gonna happen next. Like, I'm shivering. Okay, here we go. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Okay. Okay. Oh my god, what's gonna happen? Okay. Oh my gosh. What's gonna happen? Oh my god, what's the captain gonna say now? Power is back on! Yay! I think we're good. Are we good? Oh, yeah, the snakes are gone. Thank God, yes. Whew. Okay. The creature on the wing is also gone. Okay, so this is actually... Oh, there's good news. Oh, and bad news. Oh my god, of course, there's always bad news. Okay, let's see what the good news is. The power's back on. Yeah, we know that. I'm not too excited about that. But oh my god, the bad news is gonna be something